I hear that little voice say slow, but my heart chillin' go, just go, just go. Every corner, another day, rubber burns through my fear. Red line fever, I'm alive in the spin. If I don't edge out, how do I win? Fever, I'm alive in the spin. If I don't edge out, how do I win? Maybe I'm a little too reckless. Yeah, maybe I'm just done being breathless. I'd rather fly, spin out and learn than ride the brakes at every turn.
Night lights bleeding colors, a lonely heart beats fast. Another night, another city.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sun goes down, we come awake. Street lights shimmer on the lake. Taxi doors and high heel clicks. Me on buzzing, baseline kicks. Mirrors flashing bright from light. Lipstick no confidence bright. Laughing loud in the midnight air. Music floating everywhere. Cares of how we feel the spark. Stars got nothing on the dark tonight. We're going unafraid. Stepping in the after dark parade. We dance like the world's on fire. Hearts climbing higher and higher. City spinning, colors cascade. Living loud in the after dark.
Yeah. Engine idle. City breathing. Dashboard lit like a stage. Rims catching light in the violet haze. Street signs blur in the silver days. Foot on the gas, but I move with grace. Whole skyline watching me set the pace up. Low beam slicing the boulevard. Radio loud, but the vibe not hard. This ain't rage, it's a state of mind. Chrome reflections and a steady grind. Windows down, let the bass roll out. Concrete jungle know what I'm about. Every red light feel like fate. 3, 2, 1, accelerate. No finish line in my sight. Just city stars in the night. Speed don't shout, it's just life in the middle.